Ntimugatinye ibitumbaraye. Sometimes birimo ubusa. Haba harimo umwuka. Umwuka, you know, a balloon. A balloon, you need a needle. There will be nothing crossing these borders of this small country of ours. If anybody attempts,
never be afraid of the balloons. What you need is just a needle. To pop it out, so never be afraid of anything. That was the words of the President Paul Kagame. Rwanda has passed through circumstances, troubles, but will never again. We shall keep the security of our country, our citizens. No one will ever dissociate us like how it used to be. We shall fight until our last breath. If anyone tries to destroy the security of Rwanda, nothing I will do. I will prepare my army. Then what will happen after? Don't ask me. If you bring war to Rwanda, it's not possible. Rwanda is a small country, nowhere to fight for. So when you cause the wars to Rwanda, we shall bring the wars to your country. We shall fight until our last breath. Reaching now by considering the war which is ongoing on Eastern Congo. Many countries around the world, they accused Rwanda. They are saying that Rwanda is supporting the troops of M23. But Rwanda keeps on denying this. They keep on denying by saying that no reason for sending our army to DRC Congo for fighting for M23. But if they just attempt to bring wars to Rwanda, we shall defend ourselves. No one will come and destroy this security that we have built for long. Many people, different leaders around the world, they are concerned with this war. Even when you tell this story to a young child, it's not understandable. He will not accept this. He's going to deny. He's going to laugh at you. He's going to ask you how Rwanda, a country which is small like this, is able to fight against DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, which is greater than this Rwanda 80 and more times. It is not understandable. But what you see, sometimes it is not true, because this country of Rwanda, even though it is small, but it has put much emphasis in what we call the army. They have strong weapons. They have enough ammunitions. They have different missiles. If you try to shoot a single bomb to their country, what you just do is that the missile you are going to shoot is going to reflect to you. Why? They have a system that protects their sky. Nothing else can enter in their sky when they are seeing. They have a system that jams the brain.
For example, if you think that you don't like President Kagame of Rwanda because you think what should happen in Rwanda is supposed to be dependent on you, on your views, on your decisions, and yet you are from outside. Anybody from outside, whether you like me or you don't like me. The President Kagame is here as the president of Rwanda, as a business of Rwandans. It's their business. If they want Kagame, they will have him. If they don't want him, they remove him. Doesn't matter whether it's actually very difficult, next to impossible, to imagine that you don't like Kagame, so you will change him and put there someone you want. It's impossible.
President Paul Kagame, he's a grandfather like others, but when it comes to the security of Rwanda and citizens, he becomes a soldier. When it comes to the decision is that he takes. Rwandan citizens, they are proud of the decisions.
Ntabwo tuzategereza udutera dusanga hano. Abandi bari hakurya ari mu gihugu cy'igituranyi cy'uburengerazuba ari cyo mu majyepfo bavuga ko bose bashaka gutera u Rwanda, abanyarwanda ndetse barambiwe ubutegetsi buri.
What is going on in DRC Congo? No one who knows, but today Rwanda is helping the countries such as South Africa. They are helping them to go back to their countries because of the war that they are fighting in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Normally, they don't have a reason for fighting this war. This war is the war of the people of Congo. where they are being discriminated, they are being killed, they are being accused to be Rwandans, they are being called Tutsi, normally they are Congolese. This has been happening since the day, even me, I don't know, but because of the colonists that they have distracted and drawn the borders, this has made these people who are called Banyamulenge, they were arrested in what we call Zaire, but now has become the Congo, DRC. So these people, they were being accused that they are Rwandans, that they may go back to their country. Normally, they are Congolese. So this has made the M23 troops to take the guns, they go to fight, they go to take some parts of DRC Congo, where they are even now they are making their leaders. They have even introduced their new flag, where they said that these sites that they have captured, maybe it's going to be a new country. Why? They killed for so long, they have been discriminated, so maybe this is their time for fighting for their right. This is their time to have a country. This is the time to create their own leadership, a leader that provides what is needed to the citizen, not the one who is being accused to have what we call corruption. Because some leaders in this DRC Congo, they were accused as such kind of corruption totems, where people, they are there in groups, only destroying the mineral vaults for this country, making them the properties of their family, not considering the right of people, where people now they are clapping, they are very happy that M23 is keep on capturing some parts of DRC. No one who knows this and the end of this, but the life with no war is the life that we wish as Africans. So let's stand together and shout for together by saying that the gun's mouth may shut down, no more shooting. So